What's up, everybody? It's Paper Drew. Hitting you guys early this morning, well, early for me anyways. It is officially 8:01 and I'm headed over to Kith, Miami because I hit the raffle for some Jordans. As you guys know, today is the 22nd of September. You might be watching this on a Sunday, you might be watching it on a Monday, whenever I decide to upload it. But I hit on the Court Purples, I hit on Pine Greens, and as most of you know by now, the Court Purples were kind of more of a pain in the ass to cop as opposed to the Pine Greens. Sorry, you probably can hear my GPS. But I'm headed over to Kith because I hit on their raffle for the Court Purples. Nothing within my area was getting Court Purples, and from what I hear, Court Purples are a little bit more limited. I'm not sure if that's true or not, or if that's just people talking, but whatever the case may be. I hit 3 Pine Greens, Finish Line Champs, Foot Locker, shout out to them. And then I hit on the app for the actual Court Purples on Kith. So I'm headed over to Kith first, Kith, Miami. Have family in West Palm, thank God, so that I'm able to go ahead and make this trip. I spent the night, and so it'll only take me about an hour to get to Kith, Miami, and then from there I will be on the rest of my destination, trip, adventure, whatever you want to call it today, to pick up the other 3 pairs of Pine Greens and see if I can make it. This should be interesting. It's gonna be a fun-filled day. I'm not gonna have a bunch of filler for you guys. Driving is just gonna be location to location to location. I don't have a lot of time to play around, don't have a lot of time to mess around at these different spots. So when I get to Kith, I will go ahead and check in back in with you guys, and we'll go from there. Plus I gotta eat some breakfast, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm here. Made decent time. It is almost 9:30, it's like 9:20 something. Paid for my parking, and I'm headed over to walk Kith, like 2 blocks from where I'm at. So I don't think there was even a crazy line when I went there, or when I passed by to see how close the parking was. There was like 1 guy there, so that's a good sign. Hopefully I get in and out, because like I said, I am kind of on a time crunch. Sorry if the sun's in your face, guys, but yeah, I'm kind of on a time crunch, so hopefully it doesn't take me too long to get in and out of this line. I don't see, sorry for the noise, but obviously I'm Miami, so you guys know it's a bustling city, but it doesn't look like it's a big line, guys, so I might be able to get in and out and go on with life today. So that would be definitely nice. Cause I got, like I said, I got places to be, I got other places to pick up, so we'll see. But I'll check back with you guys in a couple minutes and see if I can get a little bit of footage when I get inside. Well, I got my pair, y'all, just like I told you guys I would. Now I got a boogie, so we're pick up the Pine Greens, pick up these other pairs. Sneakers app dropped. L's for everybody. Everybody was in line. L's, nobody. Well, actually one guy copped, but I think it was a big size. It wasn't like no 8, 8.5. It wasn't an 8 to a 10.5. I can tell you that. I think it was like a 12 or something. But even I think that some people really like those sizes too, because they're pretty rare. So damn, I gotta turn this car on. It's hot as shit. Holy shit. So Kith store was nice. First time I ever been in there. Wish I could have spent some more time. I was looking at some shirts really quick, but it was like I was looking at it for like 2 seconds. I don't have too much time to play around this time out. But nice store, nice setup. I like it. It's actually kind of big inside. I was, you know, when you come to Miami, there's not too much, you know, real estate to go around. So when you walk into a store, you don't expect it to be that big, but it's pretty big. Everybody in line was cool. There's no issues, no cutting, no fights, none of that shit. Hold on a second. Let me try to get out of here without hitting anybody. But yeah, no fights, no cutting. Everybody was really just concentrated on trying to get more pairs. I don't know, this release is kind of crazy, man. Even people trying to grab like GS sizes, 5s, like I think, yeah, 5, 4.5. Some guy wound up copping a 4.5. He came with his girl who won the raffle. She got a 4. He got a 4.5. But yeah, for the most part, everybody who tried to get sizes outside of that was kind of crazy, man. Unfortunately, I didn't get to check my pair. I know they're in there, but I didn't get to check the pair. That's eBay, so hopefully that's a sale. That's nice. So yeah, I didn't get to check my pair. I want to kind of show them to you guys at the same time that I get to watch them, that I get to look at them. So I kind of want to do like an unboxing, my first impression of the shoe in hand. I want to kind of do the same thing with the pine green. So I got a boogie, man. I gotta get out of Miami ASAP. Got to get my ass to Finish Line. I need to get my ass to Foot Locker. I need to get my ass to Champs. So I think I'm making good time so far. So I got out of there at 10:14. I estimated that I would get out of there like 10:30, 10:45. But the line, like I said, wasn't too big. I was like the second person in line. Actually, I was the third person in line. And yeah, man, that was it. So that's dope. Hopefully, you know, that's it. That's it. Hopefully I make it in time. But that's the plan. And I'll be back, so stay tuned. So guys, I was making good time until, well, I'm still making good time, but I was estimated to get to that side of the world, to the Foot Locker that I need to get to by like 1:56, and I was actually making even better time. There was no traffic, so I was estimated to get there by like 1:50, which would have given me plenty of time to get the pairs that I need to pick up in that area. It looks like a little cluster area. So I'd have been able to pick up Foot Locker, Finish Line, Champs with way time to spare. Now, I don't know what the hell happened. Somebody decided to get in an accident, and I'll show you the traffic that I'm in. Hold on a second. So unfortunately, this is the damn traffic that I'm in right now. Stuck in this. So this is supposed to be, this will add 8 to 10 minutes to my trip. Hopefully it's just 8 to 10 minutes. Then that would mean that I get to my area that I need to get to at about 2:08, 2:09, to get into the cluster that I need to get to. That would kind of be pushing it, but yeah, we'll see. So moral of the story is, get up early and do the shit you need to be doing. Don't wait till last minute to do stuff, because if I had waited last minute to get to where I needed to get to, if I needed to get to Kith by 10 and I left where I left by, I don't know, if I left like 9, I would not have got there till probably like 10:30, 10:45. Then probably would not have left there till about 11. And then, because the line was a little bit long by the time I left, so I would have left there by 11, and then I had been on the road. I would probably be in this predicament right now at 12:37. Right now it's 11:37, so I have an hour to spare. And instead of getting there at 2:08, I would have got there at 3:08. So you see what I'm saying? So I'm glad I left when I did and started my day super early. For me, anyways, I woke up at like 7 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, but this traffic really sucks. This is why I hate coming to like Miami, Orlando areas, because the fucking traffic is ridiculous. But anyways, I'll check back in with you guys when I get to where I need to get to, and yeah. Alright guys, so the running around is over. Crazy day, but a profitable day nonetheless. Any day that you wake up 6 feet above ground and you make profit is a good day. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and which one you guys want to see first? You want to see the purples first? You want to see the greens first? Purples, greens, greens. I don't know. All right, so I'm at the last stop. So I'm gonna show you all of them. I'm just gonna show you one purple, one green, my personal pairs. So got blessed on Foot Locker for this pair. As you can see, 10.5, my size. I think they had a size 13 and a size 11. Unfortunately, I was looking for my buddy 9.5. No such luck. So I'm gonna open these first because these initially were the ones that I wanted the most, which were the pine green ones. So we're gonna open these, see what they look like, and we'll go from there. Woo! Oh man, they got that smell too. If you know Jordan 1s, you know that Jordan 1 smell, but here they are. There they are, there they are. And I have my shade things on for the sun. It's in the car. Plus people are weird, they like to stare at you and stuff, so I'm in the parking lot. So, because I got a lot of driving ahead of me, so figure I'd do this, record this really quick, and then be on my way. But these are dope. Let's see, as you can see, there they are. They got some fuzz on them. Definitely not white. These are definitely sail. Maybe the camera will make it look like it's white just for the, you know, the amount of light that's in here, but they're definitely sail. They're definitely not white. Definitely sail. And I like that color because it's like got like a vintage look. People were complaining about it, like, oh, why don't they just give us the white back or whatever the case may be, but it is what it is, man. If you don't like them, don't buy them. There's the inside size tag. If you have 4K, put yourself in 4K because I am recording this video in 4K. And size 10.5, as you can see in there. You see the size tag. There you go. So that's that, man. These are clean. These are clean, clean, clean. See, show you guys the toe box real quick. Obviously, you guys see Nike Air. So on the tongue, so everybody goes crazy for Nike Air on the tongue. And you can see the toe box. Probably won't be able to see the toe box too good, but there you go, get some light on it. So that's nice. Let me see, what is this here? Oh, got like fuzzies on it. Oh, glue. But yeah, man, these are nice. They're not like overly tumbled, but you definitely can see the tumble. It's not crinkled. It doesn't look like a wet napkin. I don't like it when it looks like that. Let's see what this other pair looks like though. My shoelaces didn't come on the shoe. They came apart. So maybe somebody tried these on in the store, you know, one of those, let me see what it looks like, or no, actually it looks like it's broken. You see, somebody probably tried them on in the store, you know, one of the employees, and you know, they like doing shit like that. Oh, let me see what these look like. Oh, so I can see my personal pair. Yeah. Break the shits, and then, you know, I gotta deal with it. But these are gonna get worn anyway, so I don't give a shit. But let's see what this side looks like. Oh man, that smells so good. Jordan 1 smells so good. This one, yeah, about the same tumbledness. About the same. Actually, yeah, this side looks a little bit more tumbled. Y'all let me know down in the comments which one looks more tumbled to you. But yeah, these are dope. These are real dope. Let's see. Yep, no issues. It's a Jordan 1, you know, it's hard to fuck these up. I mean, but sometimes they do, but it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to mess them up. So 10.5 pine greens. Those are the ones that I really wanted. I'm not disappointed in the green at all. It's not too dark. It's not too light. It's just right. It's perfect. It's Celtics green. Now, I'm not a Celtics fan at all, but I do like them. I like green. Green is my favorite color, so you know, it's not specifically for Celtics for me. There's a long ass receipt. Why is this receipt so long? Oh, well, I got my reward. $15 reward. And Foot Locker approved. You can see that. That's kind of a little face. Yeah. But anyway, you guys already know. No funny business. We'll put this in here. Alright, now let's get to what everybody probably came to this video for, the purples. Purples more pain in the ass than anything. GS sizes, men's sizes, doesn't matter. Here's my little Kith bag. As you can see, here's my receipt. Oh, my Kith receipt is in here. Way down in the bottom. Kith receipt. So Kith, I got blessed with these Kith Miami. I also got GS pairs from Kith Miami, so this whole day was crazy. But as you can see there, make sure you guys can see it. Here you go, 10.5, pine green, not pine green, core purple. So this is like the Kyrie versus LeBron pack, right? This is like Lakers versus Celtics, crazy shit. So I wonder if they did it on purpose, but. All right, so my first look at the purples, this is my first look. I didn't look at them in the store, like I didn't look at the pine greens in the store. So let's see what these look like. Oof. Wow. These These are kind of crazy too. These are kind of crazy too. Here they are. These are kind of crazy. Wow, these are dope. I think if they would have did purple and white, I don't know if I would have liked them as much. But this off-white, creamy, that sail color, man, oh, the toe box is crazy on these. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at. The toe box on these are tumbled on it is nuts. All right, and so let's see the side panel. So you see the side panel looks good too. I don't know. These are pretty dope. I'm glad I got a pair. That's for damn sure. These are, man, I don't know if are these softer than other ones. I think you guys tell me in the comments. I'm not gonna go back and check them real quick, but I think this one, this particular pair, this leather here in the toe box is softer. This is size tag. You guys can see that in there. Let me get that right in there. So yeah, dope. Same thing on the inside, white insole with the hit, the Nike Air, and that Court purple. Yeah, man, these are dope. I'm really happy that I hit on Kith. I was not expecting to hit Kith. That's why I had to go from Miami to Orlando. That's where I wound up picking up all the rest of the pairs, was in Orlando, and had to boogie to get here. But yeah, I was like I said, told you guys before in the other section of the video that, you know, I'm glad I got up early and did what I had to do when I did it. Otherwise, I'd have been asked out. That's so well. So here is the other side. So other shoe, right shoe, dope. Nike Air, nice tumble, side panel, bang bang. So yeah, man, these are dope. Definitely happy to have them in the collection. Purples obviously are going for crazy amount of money, so you know, I don't know, everything has a price, like I always say, you know. So you know, I do have them today. I might not have them tomorrow. It depends on how I feel about the whole situation. But let me know what you guys think, or how did you guys do? I know I saw a lot of people that hit, and I heard about a lot of L's. So, you know, if you guys are looking for legit pairs, I do see that number. I don't know if you guys can see the damn number, but you see the stamp is right there. That stamp right there. This is on the pine greens, and the Court purples are, the stamp is right there. It actually goes, the pine greens is underneath, and these go like through the Nike check, or Nike swoosh, whatever you call it. So let me know what you guys think. Which ones? Let's see, which one is that? The other shoe. So let me break this one out real quick. So, what do you guys think? You guys with the LeBrons? Team LeBron? Team LeBron? Team Kyrie? Which one you guys with? Team LeBron or Team Kyrie? Which one? Which one? Tell me down in the comments below what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, I appreciate you guys taking this whole trip with me, watching the video. And as always, man, it's been Paper Drew. Y'all stay blessed. Let me know what y'all think below. Which ones? Which one are you with? Team LeBron or Team Kyrie? Lakers, Celtics? Let me know below. Y'all stay blessed.